Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen.
Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I know y'all probably wondering, like, why are you wearing those humongous glasses? Y'all know these are my blue light glasses. I'm actually in the middle of editing a video, so she's always working. But I've been getting so many questions about my hair, so I want to give a special shout out to Curly Me Hair. Thank you so much for sponsoring this portion of today's video. So they reached out to me again. This is my second time working with them, and I chose their best seller, Brazilian 13x6 straight lace frontal wig. It is 26 inches. It's really long, and it is 180% density. I love this hair. I've been getting so many compliments. But yeah, y'all, this hair is really soft. Of course, I dyed it black, but I love it. Y'all know that this is my vibe. Like straight hair, part in the middle, like that's my vibe. Like, it's so nice. Let me show y'all how silky this hair is. Like, it is so silky, so flowy, super nice. So make sure you guys go to my description box, click the link, use my code YouTube to get an extra discount. Just made myself a cup of coffee. I want to show you guys these really cute candy molds. So it's just, this is the candy mold right here. It's just heart shape, and the ice comes out like a little heart. Isn't it the cutest? And I also have, let me just use a couple of these, but I also have these little Chanel ones right here that I bought from Etsy, but I was upset when these came in the mail because on the picture it's like a big mold, and then they sent me these little small ones. I hate it, but I'm gonna show y'all how they look. You just pop them out. If they see, this one broke because when they so small like this, it's hard to get them to stay together, and I don't like that. But let me show y'all. I just feel it, man. But this is how it looks. Can y'all see that? It still look like the Chanel sign, but like I said, it's so small you can't really see it. So I was mad about it because I want the big one. Ah, yeah, it's broke. So, good morning. So, I just got back from Target, and I finally got my hands on some of the Casaluna linen sheets. They finally had the color that I want, which is the white. So I'm excited to see what all the hype is about. She was not cheap, okay? She's pricey, girl. Pricey. And then, y'all already know who these are for. Mr. Tony. You gotta wash those off. I bought a bottle of Prosecco. This is the Josh Prosecco Rosé. And then I bought some Chardonnay. My camera's getting ready to die. And then, remember I was telling you guys about the Casaluna Room Spray, the Serenity. They had the candle. So, of course, I had to snatch it up. I just hate that the packaging is this mint green, but it's okay. I'll just put it in one of my candle holders. But I'm going to burn this right now because it's so good. It smells so good to me. I love it.
Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking
Yeah, so I wanted to come on really quick and show you guys my new chairs. They're so cute. I got these at Home Goods. Let me just walk up close. They look so cute. Y'all know I had my old black ones in here that I didn't plan on keeping. I just needed something to sit in, so we brought the old ones when we moved here. But yeah, these are the new ones. They look so good in here. And like I said, I found these at Home Goods. They were $150 each. So really nice. I like them. They're really comfortable. So it's the color. It kind of look a little gray, but it is like a dark tan color. So yeah, I like that. They look so nice. And then Sasha, look at her, she's so cute. Y'all love this plant. Yes, Sasha has her dirt. I did use real dirt. And like I said, even in person, like, people can't tell that this plant isn't real. And I don't tell, you know, I'm not gonna volunteer the information, but I just tell y'all because y'all my girls, so period. But yeah, I still haven't put the little slits in there. I don't know if I'm gonna do this one or not. I don't know, I haven't decided yet. So that's that. Oh, and then I got this new guy right here. I need to dust up though. But I got this new guy right here from Home Goods. I love the dark wood on it. It looks so nice. Y'all know that I have those wooden discs up there that I got from Home Goods maybe like a year ago. So yeah, found this one and I snatched it up. This one was, I think, like $40 or something like that, but I love the dark wood tone on it. So cute. Let me try to get up close so y'all can see it. That's how it looks. Very nice. Okay, y'all, so I just washed my hot pot. It's so much fun. I will have the link in the description box if you guys want to order you one, but I'm getting ready to do a mukbang. Hopefully I can use the footage because it's my first time actually recording myself using the hot pot. So I will add some of the footage for you guys to see, you know, how everything looks. And then, like I said, y'all need to order y'all one. I'm telling you, it is bomb. This is not sponsored. I just love this hot pot. It's the one. Make sure that you get the one that says food party, but I will like I said, link this one in the description box. And then, like, if you're sitting like at a table, like, let me put it on my table so I can show y'all. If you have it here in the middle of the table like this, you can put, you know, a chair on this side, a chair on this side, and then, you know, you can have somebody over here and over here, and then everybody just cook and do their own thing. It's so much fun, and I think that this is perfect with the situation that we're in. Some people are still on lockdown, stuck in the house, can't go nowhere. So I think that this is like perfect just to have some fun at the house. So, you know, like I said, I'll add some clips in from my mukbang, and everything will be in the description box below. All right, so I'm gonna just put some noodles in here. We'll do the ramen. You tend to that. Okay. And then these noodles, I forgot the name of these noodles.
What are they, glass noodles?
Yeah, I think they're glass noodles. And for the broth, oh gosh, we're doing a miso broth that the guy, I'll show you guys a little clip of the stuff that the guy gave me or told me to use. It's so good, y'all. All right, because you're supposed to get all the flavor from the broth. Okay, so I'm gonna just season up this seafood over here. I'm gonna just do some garlic powder. Mix it up a little. And do a little bit of the slap your mama. Usually you can use your things, your whatever. He did tell me that Did I put some of this already? I'll put a little bit of lemon. Just lightly season it.
You don't season my drink.
I'm gonna drop some broccoli in here. Some mushrooms in here. On this side. Come here. Okay. Yeah. That's all you're making? Okay, y'all, so I'm done editing. I get so many questions about my little blue light glasses. These glasses I found on Instagram. The company is called Dime, D-I-M-E. I don't have a link for them. They were, I was just, you know, scrolling through Instagram. They popped up. I used the swipe up and I ordered me some. I've had them for a while, but I love these. They're so cute. Y'all look up that website if you guys want to order you some, because I know I'm going to get some questions about them. But gosh, I just love this freaking hair. It's so pretty. But so I know you guys saw the clip that I did with my hot pot, my mukbang. It was my first time. I started not to upload that video because it was just like I wasn't really that organized, and it was my first time using it. But I said in 2021 we not wasting no footage. Like, we're not wasting no footage. So I went ahead and posted the video and it turned out okay. It turned out okay. So the next time that I use it, I have everything, y'all know it. So that hot pot, I'm telling y'all, it's so cool. It's a lot of fun. Get a couple of your girlfriends over, or your man, whoever. Have you some wine, make some cute little drinks, make you some food, and you could do, you know, cook whatever you want to cook on there. I just did, you know, seafood, because y'all know that's my thing. So I did seafood with the noodles, the vegetables. It was delicious. So I had a lot of fun. I'm gonna try to start using that every Friday on my mukbang channel, and I can do different things on it. But I really enjoyed it. I can't wait to do it with Rain. I'm gonna see if he want to do it with me this Friday. So yeah, so y'all know today is the Super Bowl. We're doing some wings. We have some crab legs in there, and then Tony wants me to make some of my shrimp buffalo dip, so I'm getting ready to do that now. It's really simple. You can look the recipe up on Pinterest. The only thing that I use is cream cheese, ranch, you know, your regular cheese that you want to use. So I use like shredded cheese, and then what else? Cream cheese, ranch, regular cheese, the shrimp, and did I say buffalo sauce? Well, Frank's buffalo sauce, and that's it. I don't plan on watching the entire Super Bowl because that's just not my thing. I'll probably be kind of in and out with Tony. We'll have us some drinks and, you know, eat us some food, and then I'll probably be watching something on Netflix, because I finished Designated Survivor. I finished that like Thursday. So I know I have a few shows on record that I need to catch up on. Y'all know y'all like, leave your hair longer. I just love this hair. It's so pretty and it's so long. Let me see. Let me just check really quick. I don't know if I showed you guys. I be forgetting what I show y'all, really. I was just watching my little Instagram story. Y'all follow me on Instagram if you don't already. I am Sharika B. I'm trying to get my numbers up, so make sure that y'all follow me. And I know y'all don't want to just watch me go through my phone. Okay, so here's the shrimp, and this is the brand that I use. It's from Walmart. I get the Great Value brand, and they're already peeled, deveined, and the tail is off. I get the small ones because you get a bunch of them, so you'll get a shrimp in every bite. But if you flip some of the shrimp over, they still have like that vein. I can still see like, you know, stuff in the shrimp. So I clean my shrimp twice because, girl, you can't trust them, okay? So I'm gonna clean these shrimp again. Like, look at this one. But y'all cleaned them already. No, ma'am.